Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to go ahead and showcase a really cool game called Reflex Math. And so you can see on my account I'm 4.5% fluent. I don't play too much, but I do have my students play this game. And this is a really cool way to learn flashcards, to learn addition and subtraction equations and get those down so that they're a little bit more automatic. So let's go ahead and start and enjoy the world of Reflex Math.
Oh, hello. I did not notice you there.
Hello, Krabby.
No, you're catching on so quickly. The next time you come, I am going to let you get started all on your own.
Oh, thank you.
You'll know what to do.
All right, so this is Krabby's Fact
Are you
Fair.
fast enough to ring the bell? Let's see how many times you can do it. Good luck.
So they're going to be gauging my speed for how fast I'm typing in order to figure it out. So that's 2 plus 2 equals 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 0 plus 8 is 8, and here we have 4 minus 0 is 4. 0 plus 7, that's 7, and 9 minus 4 is 5. All right, that was a good one. 1 plus 9 is 10, 7 minus 7 is 0. So this is totally gamified math here, and so we're looking it's really exciting. It's fun to do, and once we do this part, we'll move on to something else as we move through the carnival before we get to go to the games we can choose. All right, we're almost to the top there, and boom, we got the last star. But there we go. All right, one more. Cool. So we got our island
How many
pass.
lucky matches can you make? Answering quickly gives you more chances. If you don't know a fact, you'll be able to press the space bar.
Now we're working on our speed here to build this up. Let's go. All right, 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. 11 minus 9 is 2. 5 plus 3 is 8. All right. Let's see if we can get a match. 7 plus 3 is 10. 9 plus 3 is 12. 6 plus 4 is 10. 8 plus 4 is 12. Ooh, all right. Triple match there. Cool. Let's see. 7 plus 5 is 12. 9 plus 4 is 13. 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 plus 6 is 13. Another triple match. Not bad. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 minus 10 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 20 minus 10 is 10. Plus 25 for 2. We got a pair. And 12 plus 9 is 11. 5 plus 5 is 10. 9 plus 2 is 11. 10 minus 5 is 5. Another triple match. Okay. 5 plus 6 is 11. 7 minus 3 is 4. 6 plus 5 is 11. 8 minus 3 is 5. Two matches. That's awesome. Here we have 9 minus 2 is 7. 12 minus 9 is 3. Ooh, out of time. 310 points. 320 points. Woohoo! Oh, a bonus round now. Okay, let's get our fingers nice and warmed up here. Stretch them out a little bit. 10 minus 4 is going to be 6. 12 minus 9 is 3. 11 minus 7 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 3. Oh, that's not right. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay. 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay. 13 minus 9 is 4. 11 minus 5 is 6. 12 minus 8 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. It's a little tough to talk and type with the math at the same time here. So 12 minus 7, out of time. All right, we did very good. Think about how you did, and we have our island pass. So now we get to go to the island where we can choose
Excellent
to play the
work, my
games.
young apprentice. You don't know it yet, but today is a great day. You have worked hard with Coach Penny, played the games like an expert. Now all that effort is starting to pay off. You see, whenever Dwight tells me you've turned a slow fact into a fluent one, You win extra tokens.
Yes.
You will win even more tokens when a whole family of facts becomes fast.
Woohoo.
Why am I telling you this today? Well, I am pleased to report that today is the day that you have earned your first extra tokens for new fluency. I am so proud of you.
Yay. Woo! We earned 5 extra tokens for learning 3 plus 3.
Very good. You did well. Today, I have something special for you. I'm giving you this seed.
Oh, we get to plant our tree.
Plant seed.
Yes.
Now, here we go.
Okay, so we're going to go to the island where we can play games and we have to plant our seed.
Go ahead and drag your seed to hole to plant it.
Okay.
As you master more fact families, your seed will grow into tree. And the more you know, the more it grows.
All right, so let's plant our seed.
Nicely done. Now, it's time to play some games. Have fun.
All right. So as we get our green light, which is going to be up here in the top right corner, you're going to see this outer edge is going to get green. When the center ball turns green, that means we've done enough math. It's time to stop. It's time to quit. And as I get my green light, I will be able to go ahead and open up more games. So right now I have Ninja to the Stars and Wind Rider, which I'm going to show you Ninja to the Stars today. I don't know if I'll be able to unlock all of these games. If I can, then I will go ahead and be back here to show you some of these new games if you are interested. So our tree is going to be right over here once it starts to grow. And the store is currently closed, but hopefully it'll be opening and we'll be able to start buying some really cool stuff. So we're going to do Ninja to the Stars. It's one of the easier games to start with. And as we learn different facts and fact families, then it's going to be very helpful. So you can see these are the ones that I'm working on. And for 211, we are fluent with 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. We're not fluent yet, so hopefully we'll be getting there soon. And as we go through, the unassessed ones, the ones I haven't even seen, are going to be white. And the ones that I'm not fluent with are light green. The green is ones that I'm fluent with. And I can separate it by addition. I can separate it by subtraction. All right. And they also have multiplication and division. So there's a lot of great room for it to grow.
Family. A fact family is a group of facts that use the same numbers. Today, we're going to look at fact families and addition. There are 2 addition facts in this family. 2 plus 3 is 5. And 3 plus 2 is 5.
So you can see
Here's
2.
another family.
Ooh.
3, 4, 7. Where it's addition facts. 3 plus 4. And 4 plus 3.
So it starts you off
Both
with addition
facts.
facts.
Have the same answer. 7.
And then it'll get into subtraction a little bit later. I probably won't
Let's
see
look
much
at this
subtraction
fact. 4
today.
plus 8 is 12. Since we know this fact, we also know the related fact 8 plus 4 is 12. And we know that both these facts belong to the 4, 8, 12 fact family.
So
Now, let's use this knowledge of fact families
I feel like I'm talking
some
over
of your
her.
facts game ready. Study the facts by saying them quietly to yourself. When you think you know them, click I'm ready.
Okay, so I need to pay attention here. These are going to be my target facts that I am looking to answer correctly in the game, and I'm looking to grow. So once I grow these, it'll be very helpful. So I need to pay attention to, it'll have the subtraction in a little bit later as well. But right now, 3 plus 8 equals 11. 8 plus 3 equals 11. So I feel like I can type those. I'm going to hit I'm ready, and then I'll start to reassemble those to get them a little further in my brain.
Now type in each fact. You can use the buttons to make the operation sign and equal sign, or you can type them in yourself. When you're done, click the Done button, or just press Enter. And if you can't remember the facts, click I don't remember.
Okay, so it was 3 plus 8 equals 11. Done. And then it was 8 plus 3 equals 11. All
Nice.
right.
Now we're going to practice your target facts. Those are the ones we want to make game ready.
3 plus, well, 8 was the other part. We're adding, so it's going to be 3 plus 8, and they're going to equal the whole, equals 11. And then 8 plus 3 does the same thing. That's going to equal 11. 3 plus 8 equals 11. 8 plus 3 equals 11.
Nice.
Now here come the picture puzzles. Coach Penny's going to give us 2 picture puzzles a day in order to get our green lights. Let's click go here. 3 plus 4, 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. 3 plus 6 is 9. 8 plus 8, that's 16. 8 plus 3 is 11. 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 7 is 10. 3 plus 8 is 11. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 3 plus 6 is 9. 10 minus 3 is 7. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. This is such a cool way to go ahead and learn our facts and play around with them. The fact that it's gamified makes flashcards so much easier. And this is really sort of an electronic flashcard system that adjusts to your child or to your learning ability. It's really interactive, and there's some really cool games that are part of it. And so getting your green light a couple days a week is just a really good way to build those facts. 5 days a week is even better. So as we go through this, what it's doing is it's recording all of my answers, and it's assessing me on how I'm doing. So if I do get some wrong, like I did when I was talking with that one, then it will go ahead and say, oh, well, I don't quite know it, right? So I mistyped there, and since I mistyped, that counts as an error. And so it'll say, well, he doesn't really quite know this, so it'll give me a little bit more time to get it right. And you can see that it does turn yellow. So if you get it right when it turns yellow, then it records that. If I really don't know it, it'll turn red. And then it will give me a new fact. So it'll switch to another fact. And it also lists that as not knowing it. So with our math, we want to make sure that we're able to process it fast enough that we can use it. And so when you get to third grade, when you get to fourth grade, if the math doesn't happen fast enough, then it's really easy to struggle with math simply because we're not using it fast enough in our brain. It's not coming to us fast enough. And so, woo, love the sound. It's just such an exciting sound. All right, so this is Ninja to the Stars. It's one of my favorite games, and for earlier students for Reflex Math, if you're in third, second, first, it's probably one of the games that you like the most. The other ones have a little bit more strategy involved, but you are exposed to a lot more facts. So let's go ahead and start out with Ninja to the Stars now, and I will push play. I already know how to play, but let's actually click on the instructions. I don't think I've looked at the instructions in a long time. So what it's saying is guide your ninja up a series of platforms without falling to reach the stars and gain a high score. Answer math facts correctly to jump from platform to platform. Land on these platforms to gain altitude and extra points. Land on these platforms and you can lose altitude or even fall. The trapdoor if it's cracked, or a spike platform. Get a boost with these items: gold star, silver throwing star, or dragon icon. Avoid these obstacles at all costs: the phoenix, the flying insect, and the comets. Okay, so that is what we are going to be doing. Let's play the game. And here we go. Okay, 8 minus 8, that is 0. 3 plus 7 is 10. So as I play, I need to answer these questions to get my ninja to jump up as he climbs higher and higher into the sky. And so I'm choosing the place that I want him to go, and answering the question correctly will get my ninja there. 3 plus 7 is 10. 2 plus 9 is 11. 3 plus 5, ooh, that's 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 10 minus 8 is 2. Let's go ahead and land on this and see. So I do have a little bit of time before the trapdoor opens to jump over if you do get into a part where you are pickled, but you do want to plan it. And let's see, I can't see that number. I think it's 10. Okay, I'm gonna have to go to 11, and then 9, and then 2. Woo! All right, that was some fast math there, my goodness. Here we go, we're getting higher and higher. And we're gonna jump around. If you look up here in the corner, you can see that my green light is almost there. So it's getting close. I have a few more questions to answer, and then I'll have done enough math for today. So it's a really fun, cool way to go ahead and get our fact families in, get our math in, and just practice these. There we go. Practice these. That was. Oh no! But I did get my green light, so that's pretty much perfect timing. So I ended up going on a spike trap. I wasn't looking at what I was landing on, and boom. But you know what? Let's go ahead and quit the game. We could play it again. I already got my green light, you can see up here in the top right corner, and that's really the goal, is to get the green light. I did get a new high score and new altitude reached as well. So let's go ahead and quit out of this. 45 facts solved. High score bonus. Woohoo! Love those sounds. And so as I continue to get my green light, I will be able to unlock new games. When I come back, I will show you that the Wind Rider game, which is another very fun game. And as we, as we move through, I'll go ahead and show you the rest of them as long as I'm able to unlock them. And so we can go into the store now. It's open because we finished. So we have our green light. So now we can go ahead and check out the stylist if I want to change my hair, my eyes, my color, and I can buy different things. And so I can turn myself purple, pink, orange, and let's go back here. And you have a lot of different choices with the hair as well. There are some different cool things you can buy as far as colors, hairstyles, you can change. So a lot of cool stuff. And so you can use your tokens for that. And then, okay, and then let's go back over here. You can buy clothes. So some neat shoes, some cool dresses, and go very formal. All right, so many different options that you can do as far as sprucing yourself up. And let's see, for pants, you can have a lot of cool stuff. As I look at myself in the mirror, I can have a tail. So many cool things. So as you go through, you'll be able to buy some really cool stuff. Accessories are up here for yourself. And then when our treehouse starts to grow, let's see if I can click done. All right. When our treehouse starts to grow, then we'll have options for our treehouse as well. We just have to keep on getting that green light to do that. So this is my introduction to Reflex Math. It is an awesome, awesome system for anyone that's struggling with fact fluency, with fact families, with adding and subtracting. This is just amazing. If your child is in kindergarten or first grade, they will have to be pretty advanced to be able to do it, because you do have to do it quickly, and it can be relatively frustrating for your child. So I hope this walkthrough was helpful, and I do hope to come back in the future and make some more videos about reflex math. So have a great day. Keep on mathing, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you later. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.